Where, oh where could all the eggs be?
Y'all played nice.
What you doing, honey? Does your egg have candy in it, William? Is it yummy? Sure, I'll help you. Are you all done looking? Evelyn, where's your basket? Where's your basket, Pumpkin? Don't take any from a basket. Oh, that's so cute. Wow! What'd you find, Evelyn? Oh, that's a nice egg.
That's hers now.
Oh. Oh, you got something to give me?
Mom, there's no more.
Thank you.
Mom, there's no more.
No more? Can I see your eggs? Oh, wow. You got a lot, honey.
It's heavy, too.
Told you the big kids win.
Okay.
Alright, this is my stack right here.
1, 2, 2.
Hey! Oh man! I'm Monkey Man! I'm the one with the
No,
eyesight.
he spotted it first, Kylie. That's why he climbed the tree. He turned around. He was already on his way getting it.
I got 3 gone, 2 gone, 2 gone,
Good job.
2 gone.
Oh, look at her up on the table.
How many gone with you?
I have like 2
I never seen him move so fast in my life. Look at that.
That's funny.
That
I was
was
running
hilarious.
after him and I missed